All right, everybody. My name is Jesse Justice. I'm here with Buzick Construction. I'm the Director of Safety, and what we're getting ready to do is to kind of walk everybody through our mock Rickhouse that we built here at our facility. The goal and the purpose of us building this was to not only incorporate current designs that we have within our Rickhouses, but also to allow us to build upon and change out certain options to kind of provide our clients a good idea and understanding of the various options that could be available. What we've got on the outside, the kind of the first section, is several window options that we might be able to help provide some of our clients. We're always willing to try additional options that maybe our clients might be able to bring to us that we can integrate in any type of new construction or remodel. Even before we turn over a Rickhouse to one of our clients, we have to take safety as our number one priority while we're actually building these Rickhouses. So you can kind of look right here through this first Rick. Basically, these nets are set into place. We set the floor that's above, and then once the next floor is actually set into place, these nets get taken down, rolled up, and move to the next floor. We start the process all over again. Another great integration that we've been working on over the past couple of years is a braking system for our bourbon barrel lift platforms. We've actually tested this particular system several times over, and the purpose of this braking system is in the event that, say for example, the cable were to get slack in it for whatever reason. The system is designed to engage and bite into the rail system that actually arrests the lift platform. What our goal is with this system is to hopefully give our clients another option in regards to bourbon barrel lift safety. So inside of our mock Rick, we've also integrated a couple of different lighting options to be able to be showcased. You know, typically like what you see in a lot of older style warehouses are like the bulb style, just like what you see here. But we also wanted to open it up to some newer options. A big pro to something like this is it can be angled one direction or the other to kind of help the worker if they need a little bit more light in one particular Rick. Another potential upgrade or option that Buzick has done a lot of research and development on is in-rack fall protection options. One of the first options, it could be something that looks like what we see here, where it's aluminum grating all the way through the Rick from beginning to end. And if we kind of move back down this way, you kind of start seeing a variation between wood options and netting options and chain options. Ultimately, all these options could potentially work. So for example, if the metal grating is something that you see fit to be used inside your facility, but you also want to integrate something like a half net as well, or one of the full nets that I'll show here in a minute, this warehouse allows us to kind of plug and play to where ultimately you, the client, can come up with your own fall protection methods and means that would allow you to easily integrate this into your current work procedures. And then for our X bays, again, we've got both options for wood and aluminum, and this also comes with the integration of our standard guardrail in place inside the X bays as well. The last two options, which could just be a full net option, just like what we see here. This one in particular is 80 inches tall. We encourage people to come out, take a tour of the Rickhouse with us, and so that way you can physically get your hands on with this to see what might work best inside your own facility.